cooking today is my own spin of Tuscan salmon. It is going to be an Asian-inspired Tuscan salmon, and it's going to be so scrumptious and delicious. So please go ahead, put that screen on full. Turn the volume. You might not have to turn the volume up. I already speak loud. So just put that screen on full and enjoy the show. All right, let's kick it. Welcome to the stove. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take off the napkin. So you want to drain off as much liquid as possible. Okay, my cast iron is getting nice and hot. It's ready for us just about. Now for the salmon, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of salt. You have to do it. You have to do that, you know. A little bit of pepper as well. Okay, I have my salt, my pepper. Then I have a Creole seasoning. You're going to sprinkle that as well. We want our salmon to be spicy, so we're going to add a lot of peppers to it. So I have smoked paprika as well that we're going to put. Smoked paprika, and a tad bit of cayenne. Literally, just spank it a little bit. That's it. You don't want to overdo it. You know what I'm saying? So now we go ahead and pat that seasoning in this baby here. Rub it around and pat it. Same for the other side. And now we're going to go ahead and flip our salmon over. Y'all don't bother me about my nails. It's just fish. I know how to wash my hands. Way before the pandemic, I knew how to wash my hands. Ready? Now for the other side, we're just going to do another sprinkle of salt. Literally just a sprinkle. Okay. More of the black pepper. Basically repeating the same steps, but just a little less on each side. I'm not going to put the cayenne pepper on the back side. We only need it on the front. You want that nice kick, but you don't want it overwhelming where it's not edible. I love spicy food, as you all know, but I'm going to add more spice into the sauce and everything else. So there's no need to be, you know, too much. Okay. So now, what I'm going to do inside of here, we have our extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to go ahead and coat the bottom of the pan with the extra virgin olive oil. So now what I'll do is I'll go ahead and take my salmon. I'm going to put it face down. So while the salmon's cooking, I think I'll tell you a little bit about myself. My name's JKellz and I love to cook. Yeah, that's it. Alrighty, so I think we have some color on them now. Let's go ahead and flip these babies over. Again, I'm only searing them for color right now. We're going to let it finish cooking inside of the sauce. We just want to get that nice, you see that nice Cajun. Woo! This is all you want here. Salmon cooks in 10 to 12 minutes. You don't want to overcook it. You don't want to dry. Alrighty, so now I'm just going to take these babies out. Lay them right in front of us to tease us all night. Beautiful. And now, just as I stated, I'm literally going to lay our tomatoes in here for a nice flash sear. I'm going to add literally a capful of olive oil in here. Around. I'm not going to add any salt, but I am going to add black pepper on the tomatoes. I'm also going to add a tad bit of chili oil on the tomato. Okay. Go ahead and flip these babies over. Yes. I love a cast iron skillet, baby. You hear me? The beautiful part of cooking is you can be creative and create your own thing. There's no rules. I know everyone's used, oh, I do it like this. Oh, you should have did that. You should have done that. No, I'm doing it the way I want to do it for my taste buds. This is how you create new things, you know. So don't be afraid to explore. Explore. Dorothy, explore. Explore. Okay. Alrighty, go ahead and pull these babies out. Beautiful. And now what I'm going to do, in this same skillet, just keep it on going. I'm going to add a tablespoon of garlic. Fresh garlic is always better, but this is all I had, so this is what it is. Alrighty. Going to add a handful of red onion. We'll use the rest of the onion later. Okay. And now what I'm going to do with from here, nice little color, I'm going to put my bok choy in. Okay, got a nice handful of bok choy. I just chopped it up. And I'm going to add a couple shakes of soy sauce. Not much, just a little shake, 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 shake. That's great. You know, soy sauce has a lot of sodium and salt, therefore that's why I do not add any seasoning on here. Plus the cast iron, that's what I love about a cast iron skillet, it retains the flavor, so you don't have to keep adding because there's some in here. Just as you stir, scrape the bottom. Beautiful. And that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. We'll add it all back together in a jiffy. A bowl here, we're gonna go ahead and scoop out our bok choy. And now it's time to cook our sauce. See, this is a very easy one skillet meal. I be trying to help y'all save time and not have to wash dishes all night. You know, I hate washing dishes. I know I say that all the time, but I really hate washing dishes, y'all. We're gonna add olive oil. We're gonna add the rest of our red onion. Another good tablespoon of our garlic. Add a tad bit of chili paste, like a half a tablespoon. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and stir this baby around. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I have my heavy whipping cream. Shake, 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 shake. I'm gonna go ahead and pour that cream in there. See how everything just calms down. I'll go ahead and stir everything together here. Combine it all. Oh yes. Now, in our sauce, we have our smoked paprika. We're going to sprinkle a little bit of that in there. We're going to add some of our Creole seasoning. And we have our black pepper as well. You only have to add a little bit of everything because this pan is already seasoned. Nice. With everything from beginning to end. Alrighty, we're going to let this go ahead and boil. Once it gets to a slight boil, I'm going to go ahead and mix up my combination of my cornstarch with water so we can start thickening the sauce. What I'm going to do from here is I'm going to add fresh dill right into the pan. Ooh, or the skillet here. We have our fresh dill in. Go ahead and stir that a little. Oh yes. I'm going to pour a little bit of our cornstarch in water. We want to start thickening the sauce up. Only pour a little at a time. If you need more, then you can always pour more. But this cornstarch, you see how it's already thickening up the sauce? This is how you thicken the sauce. This is how I thicken my sauce, I should say. Cornstarch and water. Look at that. That's perfect. I don't want it any thicker than that. That is perfect. You can have it as thick as you like for your own preference. I like mine thick, but I also like it still runny. Alrighty, so now this is the beautiful part. The sauce is complete. We're going to go ahead and add our fish back. Let's add our fish. Add the salmon. Back. Beautiful. And now we get to add our tomatoes as well. All right, now y'all don't kill me with the imitation, but I'm using imitation crab meat that I'm gonna go ahead and add as well. Okay. Had to get all in the sauce so it gets that nice Tuscan flavor that we have going on here. Go ahead and add our bok choy back as well. And there we have it, everyone. This is our Asian inspired Tuscan salmon. Beautifully blackened salmon. We have a special surprise of crab. We have our flash seared tomatoes and our bok choy. This is absolutely delicious. Please like, share, comment below. Once you try this recipe out, let me know how much you loved it. This your girl JKellz signing out. Whew. All right, it's time to eat. Thank you, God. Grace. Let's see, let's try it out. I loaded mine up with the sauce and the crab because I mean, like, I just had to. That bok choy is everything. Oh my God. Okay, let's get some salmon in the next bite. You all have to try this out. You'll love me for the rest of the year and next year if you try this one out. This your girl JKellz. Thank you again for watching. Please like, share, comment, all that nice stuff. And you must try this recipe. I'm telling you, this, yeah, talk about me. This the bomb diggity. Bomb freaking diggity. You hear me? JKellz. I'm signing out right now so I can grow up. So peace.